Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual Porsche Boxster. First, let's get acquainted with the controls. You'll find three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The gear shifter, typically a 5 or 6 speed, is in the center console. Also, locate the parking brake, usually a hand lever or an electronic button. Knowing these fundamental components is your first step to mastering the manual Boxster. Now let's get moving. With the car off, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot. Then, move the gear shifter into first gear. While slowly releasing the clutch pedal, simultaneously apply a small amount of throttle with your right foot. Feel for the friction point where the engine starts to engage. This smooth coordination prevents stalling and gets you rolling effortlessly. Once you're in first gear and gaining speed, it's time to shift up. Accelerate until the engine reaches about 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute. Press the clutch pedal fully, release the accelerator, and quickly shift into the next higher gear. Then, smoothly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator again. This synchronized motion ensures a seamless transition and maintains your momentum. Finally, let's cover downshifting and stopping. When you need to slow down, gently apply the brake with your right foot while simultaneously pressing the clutch pedal. Shift into a lower gear that matches your reduced speed. As you come to a complete stop, keep the clutch pressed, shift into neutral, and engage the parking brake. This method allows for controlled deceleration and a smooth stop, ready for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.